hell, I hate these earthquake drills.
Under a desk there, bud.
I'm under a desk there. My
Shut up.
Now let's go on our phones.
Okay. Now you take it seriously.
This is the most intense earthquake ever.
Totally, man.
I'm so scared, man. Oh, we're gonna make it out of this alive. Hi there. There's that one guy who's like, no.
He's like, fuck that. Savage over there. This is totally what an earthquake sounds like.
He's supposed to be taken by someone. It can change.
Is it over or?
I'm not hearing another song.
Funny how everyone's on their phone.
I know, right? I'm filming this. I'm recording this for YouTube.
Why?
Because Mary asked me to. A power bar. You. Say something about this earthquake.
There's no owls, therefore it's not fun. There goes a plane. World War II all over again.
Hit the deck.
Stop, rock and roll. Why? There's a gun. Oh no!
Oh no,
Let's
get
go.
out. Get out.
Okay, so you guys go that way.
All right.
Go away from my girlfriend.
Okay. Okay, I wait for you guys. Mary.
You're trying to say you own a person?
I'm pretty sure that's the other way around. They got cuts during the earthquake. Cops just standing there like they don't care.
You're just making sure that everyone gets evacuated.
Oh, it's an earthquake. Let's just stand still.
Yeah. What do you think firemen do? They don't run like away from the fire. They run towards it.
Oh yeah, because
Everyone in a horror movie, they'll run towards the killer.
they're stupid.
Smart.
Because they're
Oh
stupid.
no, I tripped. I'm dead.
Horror movie 101. Run towards the most creepy sound. Okay, so horror movie. Horror movie. You got a running car. You've got a running car.
Yeah.
And then there's like
Oh
this.
no, I left the keys outside of the car.
No, the car's running.
I'm screwed.
You got a running car.
Ah!
The car's outside and it's running. It's already
No,
on. It's running.
Cars
and then,
can't run.
like, in other words, the engine's running in it.
Yeah, cars
And then,
can't run, Joey.
and
No,
then,
this is my TA.
hang on a minute. And then you got like this thing of chainsaws in the back room. Oh, let's go to the chainsaws. He'll never be in there. Oh my God, he's in there. We should have gone to the car.
We should have got in the car.
Okay, he's dead. Go ahead, hide.
No, Mr. Bennett! I'm here. I never left. Earthquake 101. Yell! What?
I mean, why? Papas. They came come to get you.
Oh, be quiet. They did not come to get me. They were standing outside the Humanities LCC while we walked out.
Towards the arena with junior Woody, the hockey cup we could do.
Stay still. What do you got to say about this earthquake?
I didn't fit under the chair.
Yeah, that was like Tyson. He's like, oh, I'm just gonna stand in the middle of the room, cross-legged.
Let's just sit in the
It's an earthquake.
Let's play a game. Earthquake happening.
Oh, God. The bell rang. It's second block. Oh my God, there's a police car there too. I won't show the police car though. I don't want to get caught. I don't want to get in trouble by the cops.
Yeah, there's no quick. Fuck me.
Max, what do you have to say about this?
This is very bullshit and fake. I didn't fit under the chair. I would have died.
Sir, do you have anything else you'd like to say? Would you
I
like to
hope
shout out to any
earthquakes
loved
don't-
ones?
I didn't lose any loved one. I hope earthquakes don't happen on Tuesdays or Thursdays.
Why is that, sir?
Because I abandoned, I don't fit under the chair and I'll probably die.
Good job. Thank you, sir. So what do you have to say about this earthquake?
This is bullshit earthquake.
Is that all you have to say, sir?
Yeah.
Fight. Building never moved. This is bull crap.
Bull crap.
Oi,
Building's
oi,
on fire,
oi, oi.
burning down.
Yoink.
Joey, helicopter.
What?
Helicopter.
There. Oh. Oh. The camera's not picking it up.
Cameras.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Hell of a chopper. Take a hell of my ride and a hell of my chopper. Take a hell of a ride in my hell of my chopper. Wildcat. 2015. Or 2014, I don't know.
Have foods after this.
I don't care. Oh, we should just go around randomly interviewing people. Hey, what do you have to say about this earthquake?
It's too warm outside.
It's freezing.
It's very hot.
There's supposed to be a low of 3 and a high of 13.
Sweet. What's just
With
this is
with
so warm.
a chance of severe thunder showers.
This is very warm. It's very warm.
Sir, did you lose any loved ones? Yes, okay.
Yeah. I lost Dean. I lost internet. That's the worst.
Is that your only loved ones, sir? Sir.
I don't even love him. No fuck is given.
What? Ooh. This is an earthquake 101. Everybody drop and roll. Yeah.
Okay, stop, drop, and roll.
Earthquake, stop, drop, and roll. Ah. Ow.
I own the news business.
When it's an earthquake, you stop, drop, and roll. When it's a fire, you cower underneath the table like a little pussy bitch. Oh my God, there's a fire! I'm gonna stay under here, because it's supposed to be an earthquake drill. Even though it's a fire drill, we're gonna stand under here.
It's a both drill.
It's a bolt drill, earthquake. Oh no, there's a fire. Ah.
What would happen in that?
Well, first you'd stand under the desk for the earthquake. Then you realize there's a fire, so you'd be caught in the middle of both an earthquake and a fire. So an assassin like me, would be like, fuck this shit, I'm out. Woo!
Jump out the window. Very bad at it.
Is there anything else you have to say? No? Okay.
I could probably push the window out for once.
Ooh. Show us those rings, sir.
If you touch me one more time, I'll beat you.
One step closer and he gets it. Okay, you can have him. You can have him.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna be with him. I don't wanna be with him. You can easily pick
That face,
abuse
yo.
me. Sexually.
Oh God! Fuck that shit, I'm staying away from you guys. You two have fun raping each other. Dean, you have fun butt raping him. You have fun blowing him off, okay?
I'll be scarred on everything.
No, you're already scarred. You already said that he sexually harasses you.
No. I said he will. I will not. It's disgusting.
Disclaimer report, this isn't actually just, they don't actually do that. This is just all for YouTube. Totally. Disclaimer, YouTube, don't sue me for this shit. I'm sorry. No copyright strikes. Please. I'm sorry. It's just for YouTube.
Fuck this shit. I'm out.
Man, get the hell out of here.
Copyright strike, ban him.
Oh, fuck off. Get out of here. No, die.
Joey,
Hey, I know, right? I know, see Mary. Dean, get over here. Oh my God, Mr. Bennett.
Martin already checked in. It's okay. We're all good.
Look at all that. They're all leaving.
No, those are grade 7s from MBBD.
Oh,
But thanks for your concern.
I was gonna say they're all leaving. What dummies? Yeah, they're grade 7 from this elementary. Go. Ow. The elementary. Go. Ow. I can't do it. Ah! No, bad. Bad. Dean, no. Bad.
want me to tackle you? Football tackle?
Mortal Kombat. Fight. Do 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 do.
Do it, do it.
Yeah. What you doing?
Me? Holding a bag. I'm homeless. I got 2
Shut
bags and that's all. I told you.
At least 2 minutes. Yeah, let's start laughing.
The earthquake is over. The flood is over.
Are you still recording?
Shit. I've been filming this whole goddamn thing.
Poop and diarrhea. No, you can't use it, I swore. That's corrupt footage.
What?
The Illuminati is real.
What are you talking about?
Joe's Illuminati.
Oh yeah, Illuminati confirmed, bruh.
Let's kill him.
Yeah, it's actually.
Stop. You know that.
Get in the water.
No!
Holy fuck.
Just, Dean, let's go this way. Fuck the big crowd, let's go this way. We're too lazy. Yes, there is. We're totally walking.
Thank you, Joey.
No problem.
Appreciate it very much. Thank you. Thanks.
I can breathe.
This ends. Thank you.
Thanks, Joey.
No problem.
Otherwise, they think you're trapped in the rubble. Nice doorman stand out here freezing. Thank you very much,
No problem. The hunt is on. Crystal. Dawson. Dawson. It's the World War all over again. Everybody abandoned ship.
School be thinking.
Shut up. You don't even know what you're talking about. Hey! Listen. Still want to be in the YouTube video? I'm still recording. Not really. Jay! What the hell are you doing sexually raping her? Escucha pa' acá. Hey, Chewbacca. I'm saying I'm Chewbacca. Language. Which is no official language. Zartan. Disclaimer, Zartan. Zartan! Sir,
What?
what do you have to say about it?
Nothing.
Exactly. No one has anything to say about it anymore. My life.
Well, Mr. Dory has to talk to people. And Brad. Fucking love you, Tyler.
Cool, you play basketball?
Oh my God, drop something.
Really?